What happens when love turns reckless? A wild girlfriend pulls her boyfriend into a dangerous high-speed police chase, and it ends badly.
You're getting detained right now until we figure out what's going on. I don't know what. Crazy. Who is that to you and what's happening?
She's my ex-girlfriend.
Why isn't she stopping the car?
Because she's out of her mind.
Okay. Are you guys having some sort of domestic?
No.
Step on in.
Yes. Listen, I'm the one who called the police. Jesus Christ. What are you arresting me for?
Okay, I've got the passenger. This appears to be some sort of domestic. They're having some sort of argument, and he called 911 already. And the female is now westbound on Hollandale Beach Boulevard.
So she took off?
Yes.
She just took off?
Yes.
I'm ready to
You have no weapons, right?
No, of course not.
That's your ex-girlfriend?
Yes.
Why did you call the police?
I didn't call the police.
You said you called the police.
No, I didn't call the police. I called the police earlier because she wouldn't let me in, but she just took my shit.
Called the police earlier where?
At my house.
No batteries. She never attacked you.
No.
Nothing.
So I don't know why you're detaining me.
Yeah, 4. You don't have any domestic charges.
She just took my stuff.
Do you have an ID on you by any chance?
No, because she took my wallet. I got nothing.
How long have you guys been broken up?
We've been on and off for 5 years. She came back 4 days ago to get her car. She's trying to, what she wants to do is get you guys indicted.
I don't know if you can tell or not. I'm trying to keep you inside of the threshold.
Yes.
Right? Because you're amped up and you're nervous. I have no idea why this lady's leading the police on a high-speed pursuit right now.
Because she wants to get you guys indicted.
Indicted for what?
For police brutality. She got beat up. She's doing this to try and get you guys indicted.
Charlie 10, I'm going to be out with the vehicle at the 7-Eleven, 747 Hollandale Beach. She stopped.
747.
Okay, relax. Come here. What happened? For what? What is going on? That's fine.
You need to get over to Triple B.
Okay,
They're trying to kill people.
What is happening?
Call internal affairs.
Turn down your radio.
Call internal affairs. I'll go with you toe to toe without a badge and a gun. I'm sober and I don't do drugs.
She is trying to get you guys indicted. She's running around taking pictures of you guys, making you pull her over. Okay. Because she wants to get you guys indicted for police brutality.
Sit down for 1 second. Let me get my paper. Let me get your information. Let me get her information.
Please.
Let's find out what's going on.
Okay, please.
Slide in. I gotta shut the door for 1 second. I'll be right back. I know it's a tight fit. We're both tall. It's hard to get back.
Come on, man.
Give me 1 second.
Christ.
Roll her over.
This way?
Yeah.
She's a strong big dog.
Stop resisting.
Give us your hands.
Stop resisting.
Give us your hands.
Can you please take me out of these cuffs?
You're just gonna have to hang tight for me, Michael. It's not a personal attack against you.
No, I know, but
when you're in a high-speed pursuit, we finally get the car stopped. You jump out and you're like, "I'm not involved. I'm out of here."
Yes,
Like,
I'm
well,
not. I'm not.
That's not how it works.
She's
though.
trying to get you guys
I
indicted.
understand. You could tell me all those things.
Yes.
I believe you.
Okay.
But right now, until we've totally put all the pieces of the puzzle together, I have to just keep it. Keep you to make sure what you're telling me is true. Verify some of this information.
Right, then please do. Can you please do it?
Verify this information. Find some pictures of you guys, and we'll be on our merry way.
All right.
Give me a second and I'll walk and talk. But I just, hold on, I need just a second. Hold on. I got no guns, I just have surveillance. I don't drink or do drugs. Call the internal affairs or Officer Trucks, TRUNTZ.
I think they're out with her finally, so we'll be able to put all this story together. And
Can you please take me out of these handcuffs?
come
I
on,
live
let's
in
go.
Hallandale Beach in Laguna Beach, California. Yeah, I'm not trying to take it. Are you on green or red? Are you body camming this, sir? Hey, don't cut my Just pull it down over my...
Parkway,
Oh, you're a big tough guy, huh?
Unit 518.
You're a big tough guy.
Kick me.
I'm not.
Hey, relax.
48.
I like pain, bitch. I like sex to be tied the up.
Isn't that?
Why? Oh, sorry. Why'd you guys call yesterday? That's what I was gonna ask.
I called because she wouldn't let me in.
Into your own house.
Right.
Okay. Hang tight.
Okay.
Let me get my phone. Let me call my supervisor. Let me know what's going on.
And all my footage went straight to the car. And BBC, CBS, NBC. I'm a British citizen also. Yeah. And all my attorneys. Yeah.
Put her in the car.
1 second, sir. I just need to breathe. Hold on.
That's all set.
You guys beat me up last November 13th and 20th.
Right.
I'm blinded. It's all on footage. It's all part of the indictment.
Hey, listen.
Thank you, Cleveland.
Let's go. There were 4 waivers of prosecution signed on battery and assault charges yesterday, according to this guy. Apparently they had some sort of 22 yesterday. He ended up signing 4 waivers of prosecution for assault and battery yesterday on his ex-girlfriend at the house they're staying. I don't know because we're not out with her. Yeah. There may be domestic charges here. I don't know.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. I love you. I love you. Dios te bendiga. Dios te bendiga. You guys, I have surveillance on me right now in this car.
You got nothing in your pockets?
I got a lighter.
Okay. Pretty good. No weapons of any kind.
No, I got a lighter.
Don't reach, Michael.
Okay,
Don't reach.
I'm not reaching. That's all I got.
Okay. You're nervous. It's making me nervous.
It's not on green, sir. It's on red. It's not on green, sir. It's on red. It's not on green, sir. It's on red. It's not on green, sir. It's on red.
Just lean up against the car.
Okay, sure. All right.
She put you in a predicament tonight. It sounds like she's put you in a lot of predicaments.
She really has.
There's a lot of stuff in there that all involves her, it seems like.
She cost me my job.
Did she really?
Yes,
Your
she did.
lawyer job?
Yeah. Like I said, her whole plan is just to get you guys indicted. That's why she's running around taking pictures. Did you see her?
Up against the car.
Did you see her?
Oh.
Did you see her going up the road, pointing the camera at you?
No, I did not see her at all.
Well, the other guys did. Like I said, all she wants to do is get you guys indicted. That's her whole plan.
Less pacing, more leaning. Try for me.
All right.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm gonna come. You're taking a picture of his injuries.
Don't you pace. I'll put you in the car, Michael.
Stand right here.
You're not. If you were standing right there, I would have to say every 10 seconds, stop pacing.
Woo, that felt good.
What'd you handle?
I was their general counsel, legal.
For everything?
Yeah.
So what kind of lawsuits do they see there? Like, is it gambling related stuff? Like,
Well,
people think they're being wrong?
Personal injury.
Slip and false nonsense.
We did real estate. We did mergers and acquisitions. I did gambling law, racing law, personnel.
What's the settle? What's the number that I'm looking for when I take the dive there?
Well, you plan on.
When I go down off the 4th stair, okay? When there's a small puddle and I just go down hard, my knees and my spine will never be the same.
Well, we got hit for $700,000.
No. What's like the average like slip and fall settle?
I don't know, 30,000.
Oh, yeah, that will change. That'll change a lot of stuff for me. Okay. That's good information to know. I wish I didn't record my plan first before I go over there and take a dive.
So I'm good.
Michael, you're good. I don't think you have anything in my car on top of my car. I'm gonna just recommend to you before you leave. Do you know how to file a restraining order? I'm assuming you do.
I did try.
And what happened?
Got denied.
You're the victim of domestic violence. She's listed as an offender. How could they do that?
They just denied it.
Okay, I mean, I would. Do you want this case number to try again? I mean, she basically drove you around.
No, I don't want to see her go to jail.
No. That's not what restraining order's for. To keep her away from you.
I'm probably going to do another restraining order.
Yeah. That's what, like, it doesn't involve police. You go to the court on your own, and then it's just like, hey, you got to stay away.
Can you guys give me a ride home?
No, we're not in our city. We're in Hollywood. We cannot give you a ride.
So I got to walk?
Well, we can request a taxi for you.
I'll just walk.
Or if you, I don't know if you have a phone or an Uber or something like that.
Just got my phone.
Okay. Do you want me to see if we can recover your stuff for you then?
I'm just going to walk home.
Yeah, because I can call them and ask if someone will bring it here.
I'm just going to walk home.
Okay.
All right.
Let me see. What stuff do you have there? I'll find out.
In the car?
Yes.
Laptop, iPad, my watch.
You want us to put it in the police property and you can go get it a different day? Or
Yeah.
Adios.
Okay, thank you.
Godspeed, Michael.
Thanks, guys.
Now I have the inside track to $30,000 cash, baby.
Well,
What do I got to do to get to the 700 number? What did that guy do?
you got to fracture your leg really bad. And never walk the same way again. Is that what you
I
want?
don't know if I'm man enough for that. I think I'll just take a generic slip and fall and try to get 10. I'd go crazy for 10K. If I take 10K and I put it on black, I got 20K.
Thanks, guys.
You put that on black, let it ride, you got 40K. That's how roulette works, baby.
Yep.
Red? 80K. All right, so I mean, you go down to the casino, they're settling. That's important information to have right there.
Ma'am?
Yes, sir.
What's going on? Are you okay?
I'm fine. Muy guapo, senor.
So what happened?
I don't know, you tell me. Look at my footage in there, look at the wire on me, look at all the stuff I sent to your internal affairs. But anyways, right now what happened?
Yeah.
I don't know. I guess I was not being a good citizen, so they arrested me. They beat the f*** out of me, but it's okay. They got the handcuffs on, and
Do you have any injuries?
I actually feel safe. Yeah, I got a torn ACL.
You got a torn ACL?
Yeah, I got all kinds of shit. But it's okay, don't worry about it. I'm not going to press charges. And I'm not even going to go to the hospital. You've done this to me before on November 13th. Last year on November 20th, Officer Trunks and your officer that was on site.
Okay.
Because I'm in law.
Okay, got it.
Exposing a corruption law.
Why did you not stop for the officers?
Because I'm terrified of you guys because you tried to kill me twice.
We tried to kill you twice.
And I called Internal Affairs, and they know. And yesterday, I called them and gave them a whole file of everything that I've been doing for 5 years. I know everything, and so that's why I would have pulled. I would have pulled over.
Can you put your foot in? I don't want to.
I would have pulled over.
Can you put your feet in, please?
Okay, sure. But is
Can
it
you put your
possible?
feet in, please?
Is it possible that you could crack a window? Because I'm tired,
yeah, can
and
you put
I
your
do
feet in?
need to lose some weight. But I ain't trying to do it in here with no motherfucking water.
I got you. Can you put your feet in?
Thank you.
I got you.
You
Thank
didn't crack it.
Because I can't do it.
I'm wired, by the way,
Okay,
too.
cool. Thank you.
I didn't do anything wrong. I'm in the back of a cop car, officer. And my iPhone. Take your f***ing arm off me like that.
Sit down in the car,
I'm a
please.
f***ing citizen of the United States.
Ma'am.
Senor, muy guapo. Treat me like your mother would want you to treat a female.
Hey, have you seen the car, please?
Dios te bendiga, motherfucker.
Have you seen the car,
I'll
please?
see you in court.
Okay.
And you can have a
seat.
great career and a
Okay.
great pension. But
Great.
if you fucking treat me like this, you'll be fucking indicted.
Don't get in the
Okay,
car,
just
we'll make
get
you
in
get in the car.
Oh, baby, you can't
Sit
make
in
me
the
do
car.
nothing. Do you not remember
down.
going toe-to-toe with me? You can't make me do nothing.
Sit down.
There we go.
And you're really strong. You're just short.
Watch your head.
The suspect now faces multiple charges, including 2 counts of battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting and obstructing both with and without violence, driving on a suspended license, fleeing and eluding, and operating a vehicle with registration expired for more than 6 months. Additional charges include failure to obey lawful commands and running a red light. However, it's important to note she remains innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.